I made soup. I made a soup for 38 people. If you know 38 people who need some soup.
Here's my recipe for chicken noodle soup. 2 tablespoons of your favorite cooking oil. I used avocado oil. 2 colorful bell peppers chopped up. 1 large jalapeno diced. 1 medium onion diced. Half a cup of carrots chopped. 3 to 4 stalks of celery chopped. 5 to 6 cloves of garlic minced. As much garlic as you want. Add away. Then 1 zucchini or yellow squash. I actually only used half of a squash in this recipe, but feel free to use all of it or even less. It could be any soft skinned squash. So then 1 to 2 tablespoons of minced ginger, a tablespoon or more of lemon juice, really just a taste. I also used a half a cup of arugula chopped, a half a cup of cilantro chopped, 2 tablespoons of your favorite salt-free seasoning, and then salt to taste. 32 ounces of chicken broth, 32 ounces of vegetable broth, and 32 ounces of water. Again, this made 20 servings of soup. You'll also want about a half a rotisserie chicken. I actually got mine from Costco. And then just debone that, chop it up, and set it aside. Then you can add whatever kind of noodles you like. I used egg noodles in this recipe, so I just used an entire bag of egg noodles. You're going to want to start by sauteing your harder vegetables, onions, celery, carrots, that kind of vegetables. Then you can add your softer vegetables after about 5 minutes, like the squash. You saute that up, and then you're going to pour in your broth and add your chicken, arugula, cilantro, all this really soft stuff that's going to cook very quickly. And then add your egg noodles about 10 to 15 minutes to the end of your cooking process. It really should only take about a half an hour of total cooking time. But that's kind of it. That's how I make my chicken noodle soup. Enjoy!